Another sunny day here at Earth and Bloom. Thanks for coming back. And thanks for joining us if you're new here. Just gonna finish the day off with a little bit of splitting on maple that got dropped off. Bit windy, but the sun's out. We'll get the Easton-made fired up. This is what we're dealing with. A little bit of maple. So big ones we'll split later with the split fire. We'll just get rid of all the small stuff here, see how long it takes. Probably be just under a cord. So we'll get this all fired up and get splitting. most of it split up. We got some big stuff left for the split fire. It was about 45 minutes. Got all this. I'd say just over half a cord. Would probably would fit another, well, should be able to fit the rest of that. It all came in this trailer. But you gotta go now, pick up another rototiller. Don't tell Michelle. But she likes it, probably, most likely, maybe. Well, we're gonna go pick that up if it's any good, and go from there. The grizzly bars are working good. A few pieces get jammed in there, but it takes out crap. This is quite a bit of good stuff coming out. A few good pieces fall through, but it's just kindling usually. Thanks for hanging out with us. Doing a little bit of splitting on maple. Till the next time, get this stuff all stacked. We got a bunch of bundles together. Just sold the last bundles. So we gotta get a few bundles made up. Get a new firewood stand made up. We'll get that all done. Get it on the road. See how that does this summer. It's Earth and Bloom signing out.